Okay, good evening to you all. Today is 10th September 2025, which is our day 5 of this website development webinar for Nigerian youth. Like I said, this webinar will last for about 10 days, and today is our day 5. Like always, we'll start by showing our outlines. That is what we are to cover for the day. So we'll have a recap on what we did yesterday, that is day 4. And then we'll continue with the development of a company website, which we have started yesterday. And after we finish or concluded with the company website tonight, we are going to start with the NGO website. That is developing an NGO website. Then we'll have question and answer. And then conclusion, we call it a day. So if you can recall, yesterday we installed the theme, even though we started doing that day before yesterday, that is on day 3. Which day 4 yesterday we finished everything. We installed the theme, we installed the template, and after that we also started to edit the company. We changed the we changed the images, we changed the text. I take you through a lot of things related to editing the website using Elementor. So tonight we are continuing with the editing of the website to complete it so that the website will be fully our own, and we finish everything, and then we move on to start developing an NGO website. Okay, so I'll stop the sharing of my screen. Sorry, we are not yet here, so I'll stop the sharing and I'll open this. So let me reshare it back. Okay, so I believe this is where we stopped yesterday. So this is the website. So all I'm going to do is just to click edit with Elementor so that it will take us to the editing mode where we are going to edit the website. So now we'll complete the editing. We'll finish everything, we edit everything, we edit all the pages, and yeah, we'll finish the editing of the content as we started yesterday. We'll finish with all the pages. When we are done with all the pages, the next thing we are going to do is for us to start editing after the content. Then we start editing the header. After the header, then we move on to edit the footer. That's the final thing that we are going to do, and then the website will be ready and okay. So I think yeah. So when we finish with the website, I'm sorry, maybe we are deleting the website entirely. Maybe we are deleting it because immediately we are done with it, we'll just delete it and continue with the with the next website. Since this domain we can't have more than 2 subdomain on it. If not, we could have created all the website one after the other. We'll create it. So uh but when we are done with this, or maybe I think when we are finished with this, we'll go back and install that. We'll create maybe a subdomain, then we create the NGO website on the subdomain, because we can create 2 subdomains. So we can create the NGO website on the 2 subdomains, and after that maybe we can delete one and maybe continue like that. I will see what we can do. Let's finish this one first and see. So now we stop at this portfolio. We put all the images. If you can recall, we did this service, and that's what we did yesterday. So the next thing is our customer. So please, the people that are helping us can, okay, it's not everything that we must have it here. If you don't have any customer, you can delete them. So we can delete this. It's not must that we must put all these logos since we don't have them. So all I'm going to do is to delete it. We don't need it. And for this, our customer, I don't think we need this. Let's just remove it. And let's click on this, right click on it and just click on delete. Sorry. And you click on delete. So then we have this amazing design. Okay, maybe if you want to put image of someone, maybe the CEO or someone talking about the website, so you can click here. You see this is the image. You can change the image to any image that you want. So maybe I can put my image there or something. You can help us with anything. those of you that are helping us with the text, please share the text that we can put there. Maybe a words from the CEO or something like that. So let me just put this image and we crop it. So here it is. The image will just look somehow like this. So just don't mind it. So you can change the name. This is where you see this is the name. So you can put the name like this. So you see this is it. So you can put this. So drop something for us so that we can put the text under there. No, not just something about the company, not about leadership. Please, something about the company. Yeah, maybe because the it's amazing design and quality work. So it can be anything. We change it to this, we change it to that. Please help us with something so that we can put it and continue. So now meet our leadership here. So under this meet our leadership, maybe meet our team. So let's change it to meet our team. So meet our team, give us something please to put here for the team. So then we will start changing the images and use images for the team. So before I finish, please help us with something that we can put there. I'm just continue doing this. I'm going to upload the images. So let me just go where I have images of my staff. Yeah, I will not use this image because he put Asiwaju so that people will not think that we are doing something or campaigning or something. I don't think I put some of the images here. All the images that I hear let me check this. Yeah, yeah. So I can use this one. I leave a picture. Okay, I can use this boy here. Okay, Abdullah. Okay, let me just use some of the pictures. I need only three. So I can take this. I can take this. Then I can take this boy here. So three of them is okay. So these are the three images that I will use. Empowering innovation through technology, we craft digital solution that. So let me take this. Okay, yeah. Meet our team. I will take this. Meet our team of Nura Shehu. Okay, yeah. So I just copy what we are going to use. I'm sorry. Let me put all the images so that what you have. So waiting for this image to come up. I told you the images. Put paste this because I already copied something. Okay. So please give us something. This is very small. So the network is very bad. I don't know what. Let me try to upload something. Okay, so we got this. I already uploaded this. So let me put this one. So then one image left. So I will click here and get another image. So let me upload another image because that one, because of network, we didn't get it. So where it is. Okay, so let me upload this image. Okay, so let's upload this image. I'm sorry. So these are the images. So maybe I'll update the names. So this is where you update all the names. You see there is a title here, there is description here. So for this one, we'll just put here, we can click on it to change the name. So I will just put Aliyu Muhammad. So yeah, so I will make CEO. We'll just allow him this one because one day he can be CEO of the company. Yeah, yeah, it is. So director operation. Abdullah, so we'll just leave Abdullah Muhammad Bello or Bello Muhammad or something. Abdullah will be the director HR, so we'll allow him to be Human Resources Director because even though Abdullah is Human Resources Director, because even though Abdullah is under admin, give us something, please. I'm hearing you. I'm waiting for you. Can you hear me, please? Can you hear me? Are you with me? We have about 37 people, and this Nigerian talk. Okay, let me put what Nura dropped. So if you see this, don't worry, it's because of network. Once it loading what you have put, everything will go back to normal. You see, everything will go. So don't worry about the way it looks when you put everything. So far now, I'm done with all this. The next thing is for me to click on published. So this page one, let the publish finish updating, then we'll refresh this page. So this page one is we can call it complete. We are done with page one. So I'm not closing this page, but I'm moving to this page. So now we refresh this so that we will see all the changes that we have made in this page. Then we move to about. After the about, we move to services. After the services, we move to contact. So that's how you finish uh, the the website one after the other. So let's scroll down. Let's scroll down. You see all the images are coming up. So everything is okay. So when we click on it, this get in touch, you see this get in touch will redirect. Okay, sorry, what's wrong? Okay, fine. This get in touch didn't redirect us to our contact. Sorry. So let me copy this contact again and go back to the redirect button. Okay, instead of us to put the link, I put get in touch there. So refresh it again. And then we come and click the redirect button again. So let's wait for it to finish. Everything you need, you need to verify it. Everything you need to verify it. So let's refresh the page since we make a change. Let's refresh it. So now if we click on this get in touch, it will take us to what? Contact page. It will take us to contact page. I just click on it and it brings us to contact page. So that's how it works. That's how you just finish everything. So now we are done with home page. So let's move to about. This is about. I just open it in another page. This is about page. So let's look at the about page to edit all the things that we need to edit. Okay, I'm sorry. I have some issues with my network. I'm very sorry. Please, let's wait for it. I'm sorry. Let's wait for it. I'm sorry. I just wanted to log. So hold on. Let's wait for it to finish loading. Okay. So just hold on. What is going on? It's not showing us all what we need to start the editing, and it's due to network issue. So you see, it's even showing that the network is unstable. What's wrong? Oh, I'm sorry. Today's network is not as strong as yesterday. The network is bad, 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 bad. So I'm so sorry for the network, please. So sorry. I'm so sorry for the network. I think the network is all over Nigeria. So almost everyone has issues. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me refresh it again. Okay, so I'm sorry, the network is very, very bad. Very, very bad. I don't even know what to do. I'm sorry, the network is bad. The network is not strong. I'm so sorry. Please, are we together? Okay, thank you, thank you. So you're, oh yeah, I thought I'm alone. So yeah, we are all in this together. So I'm sorry because this Elementor will not load everything when the network is not good. So we have to exercise some patience. So let me do it here again. No matter how fast we want to finish this class, this network will not allow us to do that. So, uh, it's open. So let's continue. Let's continue editing this. So background, please, we should just bear with the network and keep going like that. So let's change the image that is under there. So I put many images, so I'll select from it. So let me use this one. So I'll use that one. You see, the image is good and fine. So who we are, I know you already dropped that. So let me copy. Okay, I think I copy something related to who we are. So let me just paste it here. Sorry, hold on. For the who we are. So I put we who we are. So where is the rest? Because there are many messages. So I have to load them. There are many messages. Can you paste it again? Okay, our mission. Please give something very concise, not that much. Don't give something much. So let me go to our mission. If it is too much, I will reduce it. But let's see. Okay, so that's our mission. So what we do, this what we do, if you look at it, you see that is different. It's just icon list. So you are to edit all the list here. And when you click the list, you see it's like yesterday's where we can change the icon, we can put anything we want, but don't change it. What they use is okay. And if you want to create a link for this, maybe when they click, it will take them somewhere, especially if you are building it for a company that is rendering maybe services that each service can have its own page. Please go ahead and click and put this link of wherever each service you want to go. So if you want the service to be somewhere, please go ahead and do that. So all this, I don't want to touch anything. I'll just leave it like that. I don't want to touch anything seriously. It's just this marketing. You can take it up. You can change the order. You can move it. You can hold it and take it up. You see, as I hold it, I can even duplicate it to add another one. So maybe this marketing, I can edit it maybe to make it data analytics, for example. So if you want to duplicate it, maybe you want to create another one, just click on it. You see I duplicate social media. So maybe you can put digital marketing if you want. I'm just putting anything, or maybe data collection, for example, or survey. So you can put whatever you want as what we do under here. So that's all about this. So let's move to this D. I believe all this D. Please, have you dropped something related to this D? If you haven't, then maybe we can skip this DD. You can all edit it by yourself. But I want us to finish everything together. So please give us discover. What are we going to put under discover? What are we going to put under define, design, developed? Yeah, so discovered. Thank you, Abdul Rakib. So I have discover. So please drop another one. What about define? And all these define are related to technological solutions, please. So you put something related to technology, please. Drop, define. Okay, before 6D there is a text, right? Okay, so please drop it. I'm waiting for you. Or maybe we just leave it. Let me just leave it. I don't want us to go somewhere. Please define, design. Please keep drop. Some should help him, please. Let's drop all. So I got define. I got define. Please, I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you. I want us to finish this together. I'm waiting for design, developed, deploy, deliver. Please help us. And if you want to change this number, you see this where you change it. Just click on it. You see, when you click on it, you are going to see 3 here. So that's how it is. So, but don't even touch that. And if you want to change all these, you can change them maybe to 6C or 6A or 6, whatever you want to use. Okay, for the define, what's happened with it? Okay, so let me move. So design, I put design. Okay, developed. So for the developed, I put developed, then deployed, then deployed. Okay, I saw deployed. So then deliver, then deliver. I'm waiting for deliver. I didn't see it. Okay, I saw deliver from Ahmad Abubakar. So let me copy the one there. Okay, so yeah. So at least we put all these 6 Ds. So let's continue. So this image of contact. So we click on this image. We are changing this image. So let me click on it. Go to style. Okay, sorry. Go to style. So I click on it and I go to this layout. I go to, you see, hold is network. No, give us best quality. Or let me just use this one for Abdul Mukit. The best quality. Let's just use this at Hamad Technologies. Give us 247 live. Give us 247 live support. Give us something there. 247 live. So if you like, you can change the heading. You can change the title. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Abakar Ahmad Abakar. So we have a result oriented. So give us something. Give us something. Apart from result oriented, give us something. So we are done with the result oriented. Then award winning support team. Give us something for award winning support team. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry, we are almost done. Okay, so this is the first time Zainab contributes. So let's put. So we use yours. So anyone, let's continue with the rest. We have result award winning. Then let's have best ROI techniques. No, we have award winning Abdul Rakib. Let's move to best ROI. Let's move to best ROI. That means best return on investment techniques. Then we have experienced professionals. Please, let's have these two and move. You are delaying us. And I believe this picture that we put is even during a software development training that this picture was taken. Okay, so continue. I put experienced professional. So let's have one for best return, best ROI techniques, please. That's all what we want. That the last one. Okay, thank you all. So let's move. Let's move. I want us to finish this. So that's all for this. So we are done with all this. So if you click on it, you will see all what we have done so far together. So the next thing is all these some numbers. So these some numbers. If you like, you can put something or you can delete it. Some of our metrics. So don't worry, it will come back to where it is when the network is okay. So 87 clients satisfied, so you can increase it if you want. So how many clients have they achieved? So you can put maybe 980, for example. I just put, so you can put anyone. So it will start from 100 to 980. That's how the count will start, from 900 to 180. But I will just want it to add 10 10. So it will start from 10 10 10 10 up till 980. So that's how this is, just a style. It's just a counter that we just put. It was there. How many projects? Maybe you can start the counting from maybe 250 projects, and you want to start the counting from 20. So it will start from 20 and add 20, 20, 20 until it reaches that. Accolade, and maybe that the certificate, or you can edit it. You click here and change it instead of accolade and maybe certificate and or something, and 560 line of codes. Maybe you can increase it to maybe 150 something thousand. Then maybe you can, I want it to start from 50,000, so that it will add 50, 50, 50, 50 until it reaches this 156. So that's it for this. Yeah, that's it. And if you want it to be KOM, if you want it to be millions, you can change it here. I can put M. So maybe 50 million, 156 million plus line of codes. That's what we wrote. So maybe you can put that if you want it to look at millions. So maybe I can put small m. I think it's supposed to be capital M. So that's for the million, because million is a big number. So would you like to start a project with us? This is something that we have done, if you can recall, during this homepage. That's what we did. So what I'm going to do, I'm coming back to copy the same thing we put there and just put it there. Then we continue. So let's wait for it. Or maybe I can come to home. Anyone that open. Okay, so here it is. Let's just scroll down. So this is what we put. So I'll just copy this. Come back to this. So click on this. And then I'll paste it here. So instead of get in touch, you can recall we put let me come back here. So instead of get in touch, instead of get a quote, we change it to get in touch. So let me paste the URL. So we change it to get in touch. So that's what we did. So that's all for about page. We are done with the about page. Our about page is ready. So let me click on publish and save it. So now we are done with about page. The next thing we move is to talk about services, and let me open services and contacts. So let's open the services first. So the about page is saving. So now we are done with publishing about page. If you want to preview it, just click on this eye. That is to preview what you have done. So it will open the about page and you will see all the things that we have done in it, and it's here. Then you can continue your work. So you see everything we have done is saved and okay. So let's start with services. Okay, let's start with services. Okay, I think there is something we didn't put. We didn't change this welcome to. Let me just delete it. We don't need it. Let's edit this. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, the network. So, like I said, if you copy, you can copy it from here. So, when you come here, you paste. I don't know. Is this not still? Ah, are they not using this copy and paste anymore? Sorry, let me do something. Let me copy this. Okay, I can paste, but I cannot copy, I think, the entire this thing. So what I'm going to do is, let me delete this. Let me delete all this, and then I'll I'll paste. Sorry, I'll right click here and paste that one. So I delete this one. Let me paste and see. Sorry, not like this. Mm, okay, and um yeah, is it let's save it as templates. I'm sorry, let me just call it why choose us. I'm sorry, I just want to do something. Just watch what I'm doing because I knew this existed since before I know you can copy the container and just paste it. So I just save this here, why choose us. So now let's go back to this because we want to put it, we don't want to edit it again, we want to put it here. So now if we want to put it, just come here. So click on this. So if you click on this, it will bring you back here. Then you go to template. So since we already save it there as a template, I'll just click on insert. Then I'll click on apply. So it will drop. Let's wait and see. It's supposed to drop everything that is here. It's supposed to drop it here for us. Since we don't want to waste our time to change everything, you see it's dropping everything that we have there, is going to drop it here. So I'm deleting this one that we have in this you see it dropped everything. You see exactly, we are not going to touch anything. All what we have done, the internship, the webinar there is here. So please rewatch how I did it so that you can do it by yourself. So I'm deleting this session and we don't need it. So our customer also, we deleted it, if you can recall. So we don't need it, we don't need it. I just deleted it. And this amazing, so this amazing, if we want, we can copy that one and paste it here again. But wait, let me delete this one first. Okay, so this one, if we want, we can also delete it also. So if we want to do it, we need to save it again. So let me show you what I did again so that you can learn it. So come here, come down, come down. So this is it, this is the session. Just right click on it. When you right click on it, go to save as a template. So you give it a name. So just give it a name. So I'll just call it second one. I'll just call it second one. Click on save. So when you come back here, you click on this plus sign. Just hold on. So now I save it. So just come back here. Hold on. Okay. Okay. So here it is. So just click on this plus. So you click on this template. You see under template, you are going to see second one. Here it is. Click on insert. Click on apply. And then it will bring the same section, that container that we have in that page. It will bring it here for you. So now we are deleting the second one. So this means we are not wasting our time to edit anything. So for this text, all we need to is just to paste it. I already copied it, I think. So we can paste it here. Okay, sorry, I have to copy it again. I have to copy it again. This is the text. So let me right click and copy it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Let me go back. Let me go back there. Sorry, this is the text. I just paste something that we don't need. So I'm changing it. Okay, here it is. So I copy it and I then paste this. This is what we want. So hold on, it will change everything. Don't mind this. I made a mistake because that container that I copy is what I pasted. So it gave us all the HTML codes that are there. So that's why you are seeing too much text. But don't worry, it will refresh and it will give us what we want. Oh, it's too much. Oh. Okay. So I think it will finish. It's just because of network. Don't worry, it will just yeah, this is all what we want. So get a quote, the same thing that we did here. We don't need get a quote. What we need is get in touch. So we want to put get in touch there also. So just change it to get in touch. Then we put the URL of contacts. So you put the URL of. The next thing we are going to do now is to edit the header. You see, all what we want to edit on the header is this logo and this request for quote. This we are going to edit. That's the header. Then we will come to footer. For footer also we are editing this under the footer, and also we are editing this. Then if there is anything we want to edit here, of course we are editing and everything. Okay, I'm so sorry. So like I said, what we are going to edit now, we are going to edit the header, which is we are editing the logo and this. Normally we are not touching these menus. Then we are going to edit the footer, which we are editing this logo and also this. Then we are editing the contacts, and we are also editing the copyright, which of course this copyright they already put it for us. Then they put everything, we don't need to even touch it, we leave it like this. So that's the two things we are going to do now. So what we are going to do to edit this, now we are not going anywhere. We are all going to be on any page, if it is home page or anywhere. Go to this customize and click on it. Just click on customize. This customize is where it will take us to, it will take us to where we're going to edit the header and we're going to edit the footer. That's what we are going to do now. Please, are you all with me? Are you with me? Can you hear me, please? Okay, so hold on and wait for it. Okay, so hold on, let it finish all the loading and everything. Then we'll start the editing. Just hold on, wait for it to finish loading. Please, I'm sorry, is network. Can you hear me, please? Ah, Okay, so here we go. So now we are going to start. You see, even when you come to this customize, all you need is to, if you hover using your mouse, you're going to see all this pencil to edit all what you want to edit. You see, there is a pencil, you click on it to edit this. There is a pencil, you click on this to edit the logo. There is a pencil across, you see. So anything that you want to do, you can go ahead and do that. But let me go back. Let me go back a little bit. So there is a pencil across all these footer and header. You see, when I click on this request for code, it just bring me direct to where I will edit that and continue my work. So if you want to do it to make your life easier, just go ahead, click on wherever you want to edit. Just click the pencil that is there and just start whatever you want to do. So now let me go back. Let me go back. So here we go. So if you come back to footer, but now take note, we can't edit anything within the content of the website. We can't edit. The only thing we can do is to edit the footer. You see, all these I can edit them. You see, I can edit anything that I want to edit, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So for you, if you want to check everything, you can come to this. All keep touching all these. All what I will advise you, before these pencils are not there, not like this, please, what I will advise you is go use this pencil so that it will take you direct to where you want to work or what you want to enter, direct to there, and it will save your life and it will save your time and everything. But don't worry, you can take your time to explore all the menus that are here. Please take your time to explore them all, and do not touch anything that you did not understand. Please don't do that. And even if you did something that you did not understand, please just close the tab. Don't click on publish. Close the tab so that you will come back and continue your work. So that's one thing that I will tell you. But what we are going to do now is we are going to start clicking on the pencil. Let me go back. We are going to start clicking on the pencil and do all the editing that we want. So now click on this pencil that is on top of the logo, because we want to edit the site logo. This logo that is here, we want to edit it, and then we replace it with the one that we want. So you see it's under this, so I can click on this site. So don't worry, just hold on, it will take you there. It's because of the network. So this is the logo. I told you we need a white logo because the logo is white. So if you want to change it, make sure you get a white logo. Already we have a white logo, so let me go and upload the white. Sorry, it's just because of network is showing all this. So just let me go and upload the white logo. Please, are we all together? Please, are we together? I don't know if you are all with me. So I have a white logo, so I'm pasting it. Okay, let's on for the logo to finish loading. So here it is. I'm sorry, the network is not that good. So it will ask you to crop the logo the way it asked us before, if you can recall. So don't worry, I'll just so make sure your logo is something that will fit this, as you can see. But I can skip the cropping. If you don't want to do that, skip the cropping, because your image is supposed to be within this. But you can skip the cropping, like I told you. You can skip the cropping, or you can just wide it like this. So let me just remove some extra space, because there are extra spaces that we don't want, you see. So let me, so like this. So let me just do it and click on crop. So you see how I did to crop the logo, just for it to fit, so that you know. So now we change the logo, and if you want to save, you click on published. But now we are not clicking on publish. Then we'll continue our work until we are done. You see, we put the logo is here already. So let's come and edit this that I told you. We are editing this request for quote. So instead of this request for quote, we are making it maybe so instead of this request for quote, we are making it maybe get in touch, our contact URL. We can do that. And sometimes what we can do that and sometimes what we you can do, maybe there is a registration link, maybe register here, or apply for a work, or apply for a job. Then you paste your Google form link here, or you paste anything that you want to paste. It's just something you can edit it into something else. Maybe apply here, maybe is a registration that people, so that they can see this apply. So I'll just leave it apply here. We're not putting any links, and we don't have any link for that. So let's come down to footer. So even this footer, click on the image, click go, just click on it. So you see there are lots of widgets that it will bring you down to copyright, this, but don't worry, it will take us the logo that we want to edit. So we'll edit the logo is widget 1. We'll edit the logo. Just click on got it. It's just telling you something. Welcome to block widget, this. Click on this, got it. Oh my god, it's network. So you can edit the text here also. So you can edit the text, or you can delete the text. So now here, let me tell you something. You see, it's like here. Let me click on it and see, because I think they used to put the logo here. The logo is here. I'm sorry, let me check. Yeah, so you see the logo is inside the text. Oh my god. So I'll just click on enter here. I deleted the logo that is there. So I'll go to this add media. You click on add media, because the logo is inside this text. You cannot see it, it's in white. I know they used to put it there. So to edit it, you need to delete the logo, and then you click on add media. Then we'll add that logo, that white logo that we uploaded. So I'm using the one, this is the one we cropped. This is the one we cropped. So this is the one we uploaded. This is the one we cropped. So I'm using the one we cropped. So just click on inside into post. So now we'll have the logo here. So we'll have our logo. This logo is gone. We'll have ours. So the next thing is, if you like, you change this text. You see now we have the logo. You see it's there. So please, if you like, change the text. Since we don't have network, I'm just removing the text. So we don't need the text. But if we like, we can just get something. Where is about page? We can take something from about page. Ah, please just leave it. I just delete that text and continue. So let's come and edit this in touch. Get in touch. But wait for it to finish processing. Then we'll edit this get in touch. Immediately after we edit this get in touch, I believe the website will be complete and we are done with everything. So now let's click on this pencil. Don't worry, I'll come back to this social media handles. I'll come back to this social media handle. Please help us and paste something that we can put under this logo. Just help us so that it will make it looks something very short, just 3 lines. Just help us and put something maybe about the company, just 3 lines. So we put it under this logo and then we continue. Please help us with that. Now I will edit this get in touch. The address and everything. We already have it under contact us. So here it is. So okay, let me refresh the page. So let me refresh the page so that we'll just be copying it and pasting it here. Just wait for it to finish loading. Someone should help us with the text that we'll put. Just 3 lines is okay, so that we'll put it under the logo. Or 4 lines, 5 lines, 6 lines is okay. This network will make you feel tired, so tired. And we haven't done much, but you will feel very tired. Okay, so this is the address. So I already know the address. Let me just put it myself. Then for the email, then for the phone numbers, don't worry, there is no network, but I will just keep writing it. So it will come up, you will see it. Then for the second phone number, so this is it. So where is the text that I talk about? Please give us the text that we can put. No, just one, just paragraph. We transform ideas. So let me just use this. So after that, then I would edit this social media and put the URL links for all the social media handles. That's all. Okay, so I'll put something under, yeah, under the logo. So I'll paste what Nura shared with us. So I'll just paste this. So let's come to the social media handles. You can see there is social, there are all these widgets. So I can click on this social. You can even click it from here. I believe it will take you there. Hold on, the network is not that good. So you see it broke. When you click on this social, it brings you to this. So we have for the Facebook, then you put the URL for the Facebook. So what you are going to do is click any one that you want to edit and put the URL, that is the page URL that you have. So put your social media handle. So for the Facebook, leave the icon, just put your URL, which is supposed to be facebook.com slash the URL, that is the name of the page. So it's Hamad Tech. That's for the Facebook. Then for the Twitter, you can put is x.com slash hamadtech01. That's our Twitter handle. If you, I'm not going to put any for now. Then for the Instagram, then you put the URL also, which is instagram.com slash hamadtechnologies. So that's our Instagram. So for the LinkedIn is kind of also Hamad Technology, but it's a page. So it take the URL of LinkedIn is somehow long. So I'll just delete LinkedIn. So I'll leave only three of them. So now when you have done all this, ensure all the changes are you know have taken effect before you save. So you see it's going to take I'm just going to make sure I check before I click on published. The network is very bad, so all what we have done is not checking effect, but we can click on okay. So this is what we have done. Okay, where is the social media? So I think this Facebook is even it's Amatech01, even Facebook, like the same username with our Twitter. So I just recall that. Let me go back to this. So I've already made the changes. I don't want to click on save. Sometimes if you click on this published, if it didn't take effect, it will not take effect even after clicking on publish. But it's fine. We can click on that because seriously, this brings us to the end of this. And all of you can check using your mobile phones. You can all see what we have done. The company website is completed. and it's ready for you to deliver it to the client for the client to review. Of course, the client can say a lot of things. He need you to change these pictures, he need you to do this, he need you to do that, and the rest. So let's wait for it and let me ensure everything is okay. Okay, so seriously, this is all what I'm going to do. I will click on published, even though it didn't take effect on the website. So I will click on publish for it to save all what we have done on the header and the footer. So let's just save it and go and review the entire website, and we call it a day. Okay, it's published now. So let's come back to home. Even this logo, I think we're supposed to put another one. I think we're supposed to add another one. That's not the only one we're supposed to put there. Please, I'm sorry. You see, this logo didn't take Apex. You see? Why network? Why? We need to add two other logos. This is not the only logo we are adding. There are two more, I think. The retina one and also another one. So let's confirm. Okay. But you see, it takes effect on apply here. You see, all what we have done, it didn't take effect because of this. Look at this also, it didn't take effect. Look at this, the phone numbers we put didn't take effect because of this network. Okay, so you see, even the logo we put didn't take effect. So let me just change it. I want us to finish this client. Didn't want us to take up to 1 hour today, but here we are even heading to 2 hours. I'm so sorry, this is not my intention. So you are putting two logos. So this one, I'm sorry, let me try this. Let me put this one. And if I put it, I can reduce the size of it. I chose this. I can reduce the size a little bit. You see, if you want, you reduce the size. So now waiting for it to take effect. This is where this transform comes to. So we are deleting this text. So now that logo takes effect. So let's finish this. So that's it. So let me wait for it to take effect before I move to another one. Okay, so we are done with this. So let me come to this get in touch and make sure it takes effect before I move to another one also. I think after this we are done, then I will save. Am I the only one or we are all together? I don't know. Some of you have slept, right? Don't worry. How much time left? Ah, like us to finish. These 2 hours is very long. Haba. One thing since 9 p.m. This network is making things more difficult. Tired. Ah. So let's hold on. Let's wait for it. I want to edit this last part because that's the only thing that left. And I will click on publish and we call it a day. Uh, so how many are we online? So we are not that much online. You see, this is how this thing works. This is how our people are. A lot of people need to learn skills, but not much can stay longer to learn it. Not much. So now I am expecting this to very that like 10 people, 20 to be able to, be able to do all this. Yeah. So it's not everyone can stop to learn all this. And tomorrow they will be the first to start abusing the government and the country. There is no job in the country. That's how it works in Nigeria. No one can stay and learn. Many people are don't they don't have that, you know, discipline to stay and learn something. Oh, but I know, yeah, most of the people they don't have maybe charge, their phones maybe doesn't have charge because I know the power grid has failed or something like that or collapsed or whatever. But yeah, let's see. Just waiting for it to finish loading. I have to delete some, click on it. So let me finish the phone number. Okay, so here it is. I think this is it. We edit the address. And also let me check the logo. The logo is intact, it's okay. So then let's click on published. Okay, so that's it. So let's refresh the home page. Okay, here it is. But the next thing I want to reduce the size of this logo. So let me go back. You see the logo is kind of too big and it is very close to this. So let me go back here and reduce the size of it. Just come back, just scroll down. You see here, just reduce it. Eighty seven is okay, or you can click here to reduce the number. Even 80 is okay. So let me click on publish. So you need to add these two logos. Please don't forget, add these two logo and the same logo, just add them, and then you reduce the logo size. So wait for it to finish publishing. Okay, so let's refresh the page. So now the logo will be small and it will fit, and it will not be too close to all these heroes that we have. So you see, look at how the logo looks now. So the logo fits and everything now is perfect on it, as you can see. So we have this, we have this, you see, we have this, everything is complete now. And even all this, if you click on it, it will take you. Let's click on all this. You see, all these social media handles are working. Anyone you click on, it will take you to. Okay, you see, after we click on this URL logo, social media logos, it takes us to all our social media pages. All the pages are working. So that's it. This is it. If you can look at it, go to about, go to services. You all have it on your mobile phone. Please go there, check the website, look at everything. If there is any editing that we need to do, tell us, and then we come back tomorrow and we do it together. But if there is none, I think tomorrow we'll start the NGO website together and you will see how you can develop the NGO website. Please go ahead. If you have any question, ask your question. Okay, Hamad Technologies. Okay, I made a mistake. I didn't put T here. So it's supposed to be Hamad Technology, where it is. So I can edit the Instagram link. Let me go back. So if you have a question, please drop it. If you don't, we call it a day. It's already late. So let me go back and edit the Instagram link. Even if I didn't edit it, don't worry. You can just check. Okay, let me calm down. Please go ahead if you have any question. When you purchase this question that someone asked about bandwidth, you purchased net website with small bandwidth and later decided to upgrade due to higher traffic of visitors on website. Can I upgrade the bandwidth only, or I have to bandwidth come with the hosting plan? I talk about upgrading the bandwidth. I even give you a narration that there is a government website that this happened, and I have to upgrade the hosting plan to get the unlimited bandwidth. You cannot buy bandwidth alone. I told you about that. No way you can buy bandwidth alone. There is no way you can buy it. So that's all I think. If there is any question, please go ahead and ask. And you should all be listening to all these videos that we have done, even if you are not present. O Network did something to you. The link is there. I think I shared all the videos from day one to day four. If you listen to them, even if the network is doing something to you, there are a lot of things you will be listening. I already talk about many things. I already talk about many things. So maybe if your network is not good, you listen to it. And that is so. No question. I think I wish you all the best. Please see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful dream. Bye bye.